Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is 10:42 p.m. Central Time, Tuesday. I wanted to make a quick silver video because there's something that I noticed that I want to tell you about. I want you guys to get the best price. The community needs to get the best price, and I mean my parents, my mom, me and Stacey, all the community. That includes you guys. As I was working on the chart over here on the hourly, when I zoomed out to make the video, I noticed where I annotated it right here. I put an alert at 29.90. And when I zoomed out, I noticed it went through this wick, it touched the top of this wick, and it perfect touched this wick back in 2020, August of 2020. That is wild. And the next level that I'm not saying it's going to come to there, 28.63, but there's a level there as well. But as we get further into the video on these smaller time frames, you'll see kind of how it gets laid out. I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the 4 hour because there's a little bit to see on the daily. Let me look at the daily. You can see the volume imbalance wick. You'll be able to see that a lot better in a minute. And there's another one up here. Let me just go on to the 4 hour. There. Okay. Hard consolidation. That is 4 hour candles. This should be a brick wall. If it goes through that, we're looking at some pretty good downsides. As bullish as it is, I don't see it, but I have been wrong before. Now, as we're on the let me go ahead and go to the 15-minute or the hour. See it even better. Our consolidation, we have our falling wedge, and this isn't something I wrote on here today. This is something I work on daily, and it just broke out at the making of this video. It broke out of this falling wedge. Now, a few things that come to mind immediately on other assets, you wouldn't expect a move like this to happen until a raid on liquidity happens up here. People put their stop losses up here above these areas, and the market makers manipulate it and they manufacture liquidity. There's a lot of money up here. I would not expect this big of a move without this candle going up and then back down. I could be wrong, and that's usually on other assets. Silver is not an asset that I trade, mostly because the other assets just are easier to trade, to be honest with you. But here lately, silver has been in a parabolic bull run, and it's been pretty fun. So, like I said, this is a pretty sought after area. It's like a magnet. It could come down here first. See if I can pull this off. It could do this. No, my mouse isn't gonna do it. All right. Let's that'll have to be later. I'm not sure my mouse isn't keeping up. It has to do with the video and the chart at the same time. Down, up, take liquidity, and then down. Or maybe it's just down and then down. I doubt it though. It's at least going to come back up here and bounce off this. If it doesn't do that, it'll take this liquidity, and after it does that is when I'll be looking hard for the 29.90 area. This is not financial advice. All right, I have missed runs. I have missed runs on assets because I waited. So just know that. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm looking at. Okay. Watch for this level and watch for this level. 31.33, probably bounce and then hopefully go through. And maybe it'll come back down here and give us another buying opportunity and then go up. But if it shoots out of this like a anchor baby, there's no telling. It's silver, it's crazy, and people are entering FOMO. They are getting eat up with FOMO right now. People are more afraid of missing out than losing money. So the market makers know that, and nothing goes straight up without coming back a little bit. Okay. If you're interested in holding your own precious metals, call Stacey. Her number is 318-564-5823. It'll be pinned in the comments. I will throw it on the screen. Matter of fact, that's Stacey's number. She works for Miles Franklin. We did business with them before we ever had a YouTube channel. I know Andy personally, and this is what I was. It's not like I'm trying to sell precious metals because I'm trying to get rich off of it. This is legit what we do. Okay, get the best price. At least send her your email so you can get the price list so you go shop around with it. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.